Okay, here's our central element, and then our bonded atoms. If we count our number of bonds, let's start here. We'll go 1, 2, 3 is here in the back, 4, and 5. So we have 5 bonds, 0 lone pairs. The steric number is 5. We come to our table, and we can see that this one is referred to as a trigonal bipyramid, or trigonal bipyramidal as the molecular geometry. Now this is interesting because if you look at it, it's really like two fused molecules. It looks like a planar, trigonal planar molecule here on the horizontal plane, and then like a linear molecule here on the vertical plane. So we have two different angles that we need to be aware of here. First of all, from bond number 1 to bond number 2, this is a 90-degree angle. And then from bond to